Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your plan in TraderVue. So what we'll need to do is basically log into your TraderVue, of course, and after that go to your account near three dots, click on that one, and basically go to the settings like this. And after that go to the plans and billing and scroll down until you see free version, as you can see, and now click downgrade. And as you can see, it will open up a form where you need to fill why you want to end up this subscription. So as you can see, basically fill something and click downgrade. So as you can see like this, and that's pretty much it guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.